Hello everyone. Today, we are diving into Vega Sport's Vegan Protein Plus Recovery, that's 30 g of plant-based protein, 5 g of BCAAs, probiotics, and recovery support in every chocolate-flavored scoop. This is the 45-serving tub, officially NSF certified for sport, meaning every scoop is batch-tested against banned substances. Inside, you get 30 g plant protein, pea, pumpkin seed, sunflower, and alfalfa, plus 5 g BCAAs, tart cherry, turmeric, beetroot, and a probiotic punch of 2 billion CFUs per serving. Whether you are vegan, lactose-free, or just aiming for clean recovery, this blend checks a lot of boxes: high protein, essential amino acids, gut support, and that NSF certification means it's competition safe. Let's shake it up. First, water plus 1 scoop, then into the blender. Mixed well, 0 clumps. The chocolate comes through rich and a bit like Tootsie Roll. A few reviewers love the creaminess, though some find it slightly gritty or too sweet. Beyond protein, the 5 g BCAAs help muscle repair, and tart cherry plus turmeric bring anti-inflammatory perks. Plus the probiotic, great for digestion, especially post-workout. At around $2.50 $3 serving for 45 scoops, it's premium priced, but when you consider the NSF certification and recovery blend, many users say it's worth it. 30 g complete plant protein NSF certified, recovery blend, probiotic gut support. Slight sweet aftertaste, texture may be thick gritty, premium price. Final verdict. Vega Sport Vegan Protein Plus Recovery is a top-tier option for plant-based athletes and fitness enthusiasts looking for clean, certified protein with recovery support. If you are after a chocolate shake that builds, repairs, and nourishes, this is worth a shot. Hit like if this helped, subscribe for more, and leave your flavor thoughts below.